The new bill moving through the Colorado legislature aims to strengthen existing data privacy protections and constitutional protections for immigrants. The House today passed that legislation on a preliminary vote, 42-21. Your reporter in Denver, Jasmine Arenas, joins us now with what this means for Coloradans. Jasmine?
Supporters say the bill aligns with constitutional rights, while those opposed to the bill say it is a roadblock for Colorado's illegal immigration crisis.
Continue to see that this administration wants to attack people. You know, we see them coming in and holding people, even U.S. citizens.
Representative Lorena Garcia is a sponsor of the bill. She says the legislation responds to fears sparked by aggressive federal immigration policies in recent years and now.
They're not respecting our civil liberties, so we want to make sure that we're clarifying in the state of Colorado that people have constitutional rights, and that applies to everyone.
The bill limits how public employees share personal data, repeals outdated ID requirements, and clarifies protections in public places like schools and hospitals.
We had so much testimony for this bill from healthcare providers, from teachers, from educators who were seeing the fear. We're seeing kids not show up for school, people missing medical appointments because they weren't sure that they could seek services, knowing that the federal government was targeting immigrants.
However, on the other side of this, Representative Jarvis Caldwell argues this bill is yet another roadblock for local law enforcement to work with federal authorities in addressing the state's illegal immigration crisis, saying, quote, when our state loses federal funding over this bill, the blame will lay at the feet of the Colorado Democrat majority. But for political director of the Colorado Immigration Rights Coalition, this comes down to just basic human rights.
We are not interfering with the federal government, and we are saying that we're going to use our resources for our communities. Conducting federal immigration enforcement should not be the job of local police.
A final vote before it heads to the governor's desk later on this week. I'm live in Denver. Jasmine Arenas covering Colorado First.
All right, thank you so much, Jasmine. Jasmine is your reporter in Denver. She's dedicated to covering the stories that matter to you. If you have a tip for her, reach out through our website, cbscolorado.com.